Hey everyone, in this quick breakdown, we're comparing Amazon FBA and Shopify dropshipping, so you can figure out which business model fits your goals the best. Let's start with how each one works. With Amazon FBA, you send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle storage, shipping, and customer service. With Shopify dropshipping, you build your own store, and the suppliers ship products straight to your customers. Pretty different setups. Startup costs a huge difference. Amazon FBA usually needs more upfront money because you're buying inventory in bulk. Shopify dropshipping is way cheaper to start since you don't buy anything until someone actually orders it. Brand control is where Shopify shines. You get to customize everything: the store, the packaging, the whole experience. With FBA, you get less control, but people trust the Amazon name, so yeah, it can help you get sales faster. Competition also works differently. On Amazon, you're competing right beside other sellers, and the algorithm decides who gets seen. With Shopify dropshipping, you're in charge of the traffic, but you also have to handle all the marketing: ads, influencers, SEO, all of that. Profit margins vary too. FBA has storage and fulfillment fees, but customers usually pay higher prices on Amazon. Dropshipping has fewer platform fees, but ads can eat up your profit if you're not careful. Risk is worth thinking about. FBA has inventory risk. Unsold stock just sits there. Dropshipping has no inventory risk, but suppliers might ship slowly, and that can hurt your customer experience pretty quickly. Scaling looks different on both. FBA scales faster because Amazon handles logistics for you. Dropshipping scales through smarter marketing and better suppliers, but it takes a bit more effort to keep things consistent. So, yeah, bottom line. Pick Amazon FBA if you want stability and don't mind the upfront cost. Go with Shopify dropshipping if you want low risk, full branding control, and you're ready to learn marketing. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you figure out which one feels right for you.